In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a bracket around a matrix in Microsoft Word. By the end, you'll know exactly how to insert a matrix, wrap it with the right kind of brackets, and format it so it looks clean and professional. First, open your document and place your cursor exactly where you want the matrix to appear. This matters because Word will insert the equation box at that precise point, and it's easier to work when everything lands where you expect it. Next, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon and click Equation in the Symbols group. This opens a new equation box in your document and brings up the equation tools on the ribbon. You'll see additional options designed specifically for math formatting, which is where we'll find the matrix and brackets we need. With the equation box active, look for the matrix option in the equation tools. Click it to open a gallery of common matrix sizes. Choose the size that matches what you need. Anything from a simple 2x2 up to larger layouts. Word will insert a placeholder matrix into the equation box, complete with empty cells ready for your numbers or symbols. Now that the matrix is in place, it's time to add brackets. Still within the equation tools, click Brackets. You'll see several styles, including parentheses, square brackets, and braces. Select the one that fits your notation or formatting preference. Word will automatically size the brackets to fit the matrix, so you get a neat proportional look without extra tweaking. With the structure set, fill in your matrix values. Click inside each cell and type your entries. You can use the Tab key to move forward through the cells and Shift+Tab to move backward, which makes data entry quick. If your entries feel too tight or too spaced out, adjust the spacing as needed. Small tweaks like adding a thin space or ensuring consistent entry lengths can help the matrix look balanced. If an element looks misaligned, click back into that cell and retype or adjust the content until it lines up visually with the rest. That's it. You've placed your cursor, inserted an equation, added the matrix, wrapped it with your preferred brackets, and filled it in with clean spacing. This approach keeps your math professional and readable, whether you're creating a report, a worksheet, or an academic paper. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause and replay any part while you build your own matrix in Word.